Good morning all. Welcome to my class. Today's just a small topic, nomenclature of alkanes. This same topic is there in IGCSE, ICSE and CBSE also. Okay, so in this nomenclature of alkanes, so before we discuss what are alkanes. Alkanes are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means that contains only carbon and hydrogen there. So while studying this alkanes, we have nomenclature. We all have names like that. Organic compounds also have some names there based on IUPAC. IUPAC, you heard, right? International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. As per IUPAC rules only, we are naming this carbon compounds or organic compounds. So here two compounds are given. We can just give name for these two compounds here today. So how we will name it? So for naming a compound, that means hydrocarbon or organic compound, first we have to number that compound. First we have to give the numbering. So here you studied if any functional group present there. So as per the rule, if any functional group present there, functional groups means what? The groups that decide the character of that particular organic compound. Like for example, alcohol. If it is alcohol group, means it is OH group. Then if it is aldehyde, aldehyde means CHO group. Ketone means CO group. Then ether means O group. So like this, different groups are there. If any of these groups are there, we call it as a functional groups there. So if any of these groups there, so by numbering this carbons in an organic compound, so first preference we have to give to that particular functional group. So here in this first example, you can see functional group OH because it is an alcohol. OH group means it's an alcohol. So we can numbering, we can start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are four carbons are there in the main chain. So that means what you studied that one, if one carbon will start by the name meth, 2 means eth, 3 means prop, 4 but, 5 pent, so 6 hex. Like this you have to study 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, then 10 dex. So like this, if one carbon atom there, the name must be meth, starts by meth. So means the root name. So here, how many carbon atoms I said? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms there. So the name, that means the root word is but there. So then we have to check if it is a normal hydrocarbon. If no means alcohol group is there, not functional group, we can just check only single bond there. We can end by, if single bonded, we can end by ANE. If double bond, we can write ENE. Then if triple bond there, you can end by YNE. But if this is not the case, here one functional group there. OH group is the functional group there. So how we will name? Can write that. So like this. Four carbon atoms, so we can, our root is butane. If it is not if it is a hydrocarbon, we will write butane, but this is not the case. So here alcohol group is there, so what you have to write? But there, this alcohol's positions we have to give butane. So second carbon we have alcohol, so butane 2 ol. Then, but this is not finished. So before what we have to add, there is another substituent group there. So 1, 2, 3, third carbon, CH3 group is there. CH3 group means it is methyl group. From methane is CH4. From there, one hydrogen is less. So it is CH3 called methyl group. It is an alkyl group. So its position also we have to write 3 methyl. 3-methyl butane 2-ol. So that is the IUPAC name for this first compound. Hope you understood. Okay. Then second one, Second, another question here. CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, CH3. So here also we can first thing we have to number this carbon atoms there. So how will you number this carbon atom? So in manner you can number. So but here as per IUPAC rule, while adding both the number from both the sides, less numbering only we will take. So what I means like this. If I am numbering like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because here two substituent groups are there. So we have to consider both the groups. So here bromine is second position. Now chlorine is fourth position. So total 6 positions of 6 is the number. Then if I am numbering from downwards, what number we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is our number? Get third position is our chlorine, 3 plus. Now fifth position is bromine. So total 8. So as per the rule, smallest number only we can take. So up number is the correct one. So we are not considering the down numbers. Down numbers we can remove. Okay. So the correct one is the top numbering. Then we can number. While numbering this also we have to, then alphabetical order only we can give the names for the substituent groups. So here what is the root word there? 6 carbon atoms there. So 6 carbon atom means hex. Then there is all single bonds. So we can write it as a hexane. But what hexane? Then remaining we have to put the substituent groups before. So here bromine and chlorine there. So alphabetical order bromine and chlorine. So it is bromine is first. So first we will write 2 bromo. Then 4 chloro. 4 chloro hexane. So this is the name of this second compound. Hope you understood. Thank you.